Hi, happy morning dear children. How are you all? Happy? Okay, so dear students, today we will start with our lesson number 3, the Northern Plains. Okay, in the earlier chapter we have learned about the Northern Mountains, right? Today the Northern Plains. Now what are plains? Plains are the flat surface areas. Okay, this is your textbook. Okay, plains are the flat surface areas with a fertile land, means a very good land that is essential for farming. Okay, clear? So today we will learn about that. Let's see which points we are going to cover today. The pre-cap, overview of northern plains, that what exactly are northern plains. Fine. Next, Satluj river basin. Fine. And Ganga river basin. Today we will cover all these 3 points. Fine. But before that, dear students, in this chapter there are many new words for you. So before we start the chapter, it is very necessary for you to learn about these words. And kindly note down these meanings, because this will help you a lot in this chapter. Okay, let's see the new words. Silt. What is a silt? Silt. Fine mud carried by a river and deposited on the bank. रिवर जो है वो अपने साथ जो सैंड लेकर आती है बहते बहते, दैट इज नोन एज सिल्ट. ओके. ट्रिब्यूटरी, स्मॉल रिवर दैट फ्लोज एंड जॉइंस द लार्जर रिवर्स. जो छोटी छोटी रिवर्स होती हैं वो जब फ्लो होते होते एक बड़ी रिवर में मर्ज हो जाती हैं, सो दे आर नोन एज ट्रिब्यूटरीज. काइंडली नोट दीज मीनिंग्स डियर चिल्ड्रन. Delta. What is a delta? A triangular shaped alluvial deposited at the mouth of the river. Dear students, जहाँ से river start होती है, emerge होती है, वहाँ पे जो triangular area होता है, that is known as delta. Okay? Alluvial or alluvium. Okay, these both are same. One is adjective and one is noun. Okay. A fertile soil consists of fine clay, silt and gravel. This type of soil is a mixture of fine clay, silt and gravel, means small granules or pebbles. Fine. This is a very fertile soil and very essential for farming. Next, basin. The area that gets watered by a river and its tributaries. जिस region को rivers से पानी provide होता है, that is known as basin, that particular area. Fine. Next, debris. Loose natural material like small rocks. These are the small rocks जो river के साथ flow होते हैं. Fine. Next, irrigation. Process of supplying water to crops. Crops पे water supply करना is known as irrigation. Dam. A dam, a barrier that stops the flow of water and also provides water for irrigation and human consumption. रिवर के एक एरिया को ब्लॉक की तरह बना दिया जाता है जिससे पानी जो है वहाँ पर रुक जाए एंड वो पानी कंजम्पशन के लिए यूज हो एंड फार्मिंग के लिए यूज हो. ओके. नेक्स्ट, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेटेड थ्रू वाटर. वाटर के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अगर हम बनाते हैं सो दैट इज नोन एज हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी आर डन विद द न्यू वर्ड्स. नाउ वी विल सी अबाउट द chapter. So, shall we start? Okay, let's go.
Chapter number 3. The Northern Plains. A plain is a large flat area of fertile land. A large part of northern India is flat and fertile. This area is known as the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains lie to the south of the Himalayan mountains and run from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. This area is not of the same width throughout. It is broad in the west and narrow in the east.
Dear students, see how much distance the northern area is covering. Okay, ये यहाँ से broad है and फिर ये slant में जाते जाते थोड़ा narrow हो जाता है. Okay, so note this. Next.
Rivers that start from the snow-clad Himalayas flow through these plains. The rivers carry water and also a lot of fine silt. In the plains, the river flows slowly as it carries a lot of debris, rocks and silt. It sheds this weight along the river banks. This deposit of fine clay, silt and gravel is called alluvium. It is extremely fertile and ideal for growing crops. The area that gets watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. A tributary is a small river that joins a large river. Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the important rivers that drain the northern plains and make the area fertile.
Dear students, have you observed the words, the new words we have discussed earlier? See, there is alluvium, tributaries, basins, fine. Now the rivers originate from the northern area, fine, and वो वहाँ से originate होकर अलग अलग जगह पर flow होती हैं, fine, and then they provide water to different areas. The first one we will see, it's Satluj. Okay, now Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, these are the main rivers we can say that originate from the northern areas, fine, and they provide water to the regions, and we will discuss the Satluj river basin first.
The Satluj River Basin, the western part of the plains around the river Satluj, is called the Satluj Basin. This basin gets water from Satluj and its main tributary is Beas. The states of the Punjab and Haryana get watered by the Satluj and its tributaries. The important cities of this region are Chandigarh, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Patiala and Ambala. The farmers depend on water from these rivers for irrigating their fields. Wheat is the main crop of this region. Apart from this, rice, cotton and sugarcane are also grown. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the river Satluj. It provides water for irrigation and produces hydroelectricity. The Satluj and Beas rivers join the Indus River in Pakistan.
Dear children, you have to note down these points, fine. The first point is that Satluj's main tributary is Beas, and the second one, Punjab Haryana gets water by the river Satluj and its tributaries. Then the main regions, Chandigarh, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ambala, all these are the main cities where the water is provided by Satluj river basin. The next point is wheat. It is the crop, the main crop, fine. And then which dam is constructed on the Satluj river? You have that point highlighted in your textbook, dear children. In the next class, we will discuss the Ganga river basin, fine, and we will discuss a lot about it. Now students, we will see what exactly we have to do as a worksheet portion, fine. Let's go. Students, this you have to do as your worksheet portion, fine. It is there in your textbook on page number 20, fine. Let's see the questions. A dash is a small river that joins a large river. You have to find out the answer. Then the dash dam is built on river Satluj. As I told you, it is highlighted in your textbook, so you have to find out. Then dear students, the MCQs are on page number 21. We have not covered the Ganga river basin, but you can go through it and find the answer before me. Okay, let's see. The main tributary of river Ganga, you have to find the answer. The options are here for you. Next, river Hooghly flows through dash city. It's the part of the Ganga river basin. You have to go through it and find the answer by your own. These are the options. Last, what is hydroelectricity? This is the part of your new word. So you have to find it out as well, dear children. We will meet even in our next class with some more interesting topics related to the river basins. Till then, keep making notes. Bye. God bless you.